This is the more office part of the office. This is where the staff members work. This is the common area where we have meetings. That's a kitchen in there. But then here is the big workshop. It's going to be disorganized for a while until I get to where the tools are, and then it'll be great. This is like lost and found and free stuff. These are people's bikes. First aid things, car fluids, cleaning supplies, randomness, free stuff. The beginning of the many shelves of gear that we take. These are drawings of everybody. That one's me. I don't interact with this side very much, but here are supplies that you don't have to worry about that we take. Here are the shelves for the different crews. I'm crew 2. We've been putting our hard hats on the shelf over the weekend because someone's hard hat basically melted in the truck. Here are water cubies and some tables and kitchen stuff. A lot of junk, backcountry gear that I've never interacted with. And now we're coming to chainsaw world. Here's workbench number 1. And it looks kind of scattered, but if I were to think, oh, I need a thing, I need particular part X, where would it be? I'd have a really easy time finding it. Here there's some guts of engine blocks and carburetors, so you can see how it looks. There's well organized things. Spark plug tester. More stuff along there. Organization. Okay, let's see the actual chainsaws. There's a lot of chainsaws. They're Husqvarna 372 XP chainsaws. This is like saw taking apart table. These, what's wrong with this one? Throttle cable slack. This is where the throttle interlock is, and the throttle's there. It looks like this is the throttle cable, and apparently there's something wrong with it. And this is a perfectly fine chainsaw for comparison next to the one with the problem. All kinds of parts over here. That's a boot brush. Technically called a scrusher. I don't know why that's there. Here's a chainsaw. What's wrong with this chainsaw? Smokes when starting. That's really not helpful. It could be idling too high. There could be too much fuel per air going into the carburetor. Here's tools. Cleaning tools mostly. Here's, someone made this. This is cool. Little wooden support structure for scrunches. A scrunch is a screwdriver wrench. Scrunch. That's a trash can. It's got Star Wars Go-Gurt in it. Here are the hand tools. Very well organized, very consistent labeling. Flags. Post hole diggers, I use those a lot. McLeod's, haven't used those in a while, but they're great. Combi tool, hazel hoe, spade shovel, fire shovel, flat shovel, double jack, rock bars, digger bars, tamper bars. 3 different kinds of bars, very useful. Tool maintenance kits and tool maintenance kits. Tool maintenance kits. I don't go to this corner. These are the flagged things that have problems to be worked on later. I've never taken a close look at that. Here's a post hole digger that has some kind of problem with it. Nope, never mind. It doesn't. There's a lot of chainsaw bars. Oh, I like this. Hammers, different sizes. Wrenches, so many different sizes. Organized. Organized. This is for maybe counting the number of teeth on a chainsaw chain when it's all rolled out. I've never seen this before. Duct tape. Duct tape. Music. Dongle. This is an engine block for a chainsaw. It's being used to hold 3 pens, one of which is face up. It's a metallic Sharpie, which means it specifically says store tip down, and it was being stored tip up. It's a slight flaw with the system. That's everything.